Hey, join me for this series. Let's redesign our clothing to reflect our personalities more. This is my button collection, and let's find some buttons to put on this lovely Ralph Lauren dress I got. So I got this Ralph Lauren dress. These are the buttons they would put on it. These are the buttons I want to switch it out for. I like that. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, but this versus that. So now I just gotta count how many buttons I need. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Then the cuffs, 14, 16. So far 16. I also think I should get rid of that pocket. I have never used it. I think I'll put something here where I have this ink stain, like a nice chunky button. All right, so the first thing I did to my dress, I had a little stain. I don't know if you can't really see it. And so what I decided to do was sew 2 buttons there to cover. So these buttons were attached to the dress, simple white, and I traded them out for these buttons and then just sewed it in a pattern. Also changed the size. I adore my redesign. Only gripe I have is the puckering, but that's the design of the buttons, so what can I do? Adore this dress. Tell me, what do you think about my redesign? A, B, C?